The Laguna Lake Development Authority or LLDA requires establishments within its jurisdiction to formally designate and accredit a pollution control officer or PCO to ensure effective implementation of environmental management and regulatory compliance. The application for PCO accreditation under Laguna Lake Development Authority follows a structured process supported by specific documentary requirements. So ngayong umaga, pag-usapan natin ano yung mga requirements for application for Pollution Control Officer accreditation under Laguna Lake Development Authority. So an applicant must first accomplish the official LLDA PCO accreditation application form, and this form must be properly filled out, signed by both the applicant and the company's authorized representative, such as the president or the general manager, the plant manager or owner. And kailangan ma-submit ito, mga requirements na ito sa LLDA Environmental Compliance Office. So yung application form, this document uh, formally signifies the intent of the company, not only the PCO, to designate the applicant as its accountable environmental officer. So pagka nagpasa ka ng application, sinasabi mo nga dyan na ito ang magiging accountable bilang isang environmental officer. So the establishment will submit application form, completed application form. At dyan ngayon ang process ng LLDA. The establishment is also required to submit a letter of designation. Ang tawag ng iba dyan ay appointment letter as PCO. At usually issued ito ng top management. Kailangan manggagaling sa top management yung letter of designation. The letter must clearly identify the appointed PCO and explicitly state the duties and responsibilities entrusted to the officer. Very common naman yan sa mga ina-appoint. O, ito ang gagawin mo. The appointment or the letter of official designation serves as a proof that management recognizes the authority of the PCO to implement environmental policies and compliance program within the organization. Walang pwedeng magsabi na rank and file lang ito. Since na inappoint ng management, may authority. So in addition, a certificate of employment must be provided by the company's human resources department and certified by management. Ang iba, kukuha ng certificate of employment permado ng HR. So the document indicate the applicant's current position, the length of service, educational background, and whether the applicant holds a professional license. Although minsan hindi na yan naka-indicate dito sa Certificate of Employment, nasasabi na lang yung date kung kailan siya nagsimula sa company. So maaring nagbabago kanya-kanya ang mga format na yan. Pero ang totoo, kailangan lang malaman if full-time employee ang appointed PCO. The applicant are likewise required to submit a valid certificate of training. Siyempre, ang LLDA, Laguna Lake Development Authority, meron silang tinatawag na Continuing Environmental Education Program. Yan ay 40-hour seminar conducted by LLDA only. The 3-day training equivalent to 40 hours. This ensures itong Continuing Environmental Education Program ng LDA that the designated pollution control officer possesses the fundamental technical knowledge on environmental laws implemented by LLDA, the appropriate and effective pollution control system na makakatulong sa water resources within Laguna de Bay region to protect and prevent pollution. Yung monitoring and reporting obligation, tuturo yan doon sa CEEP. Kaya kailangan naka-attend ng LLDA training. So, kailangan yon. And then finally, the payment of the prescribed accreditation and identification fees. Kailangan magawa. Hindi ka naman mai-issuehan. Actually, di marireceive ang application mo kung hindi ka muna magbabayad sa cashier. The corresponding official receipt must be attached to the application. So, para i-receive, i-process, kailangan nakabayad muna. The payment of the prescribed accreditation fee and PCO ID will complete the administrative processing of the accreditation. So, aantayin mo na lang yan na lumabas. Okay? So, overall, the accreditation under LLDA ensures that only qualified, trained, and officially designated individuals serve as pollution control officer. Meron diyang dapat licensed engineer in an appropriate discipline, graduate of any 4-year degree program, or has worked in the company for at least 3 years in a supervisory position. Minsan owner or plant manager regardless of professional qualification. Kailangan satisfy yung minimum competency requirement, itong eligibility or qualification requirements. Ipasa mo lang yung application, ang LDA mismo ang magdi-determine kung qualified ka o hindi. So once na binigyan ka niya ng order of payment, pasok ka talaga dyan. So babayaran mo na lang yan sa cashier ng LDA. So make sure to submit original copy ng mga document. Yung ating mga application forms are signed and notarized whenever na-require ng LLDA. And yung tungkol sa payment amounting to 700 pesos, yan yung babayaran. The accreditation fee is 500 to 700. May kasama din itong PCO ID. So, mura lang, 700 ang babayaran sa LLDA. And make sure na kapag na-submit mo na yung application, kung i-upkeep mo lang yung receiving copy para sa mga future monitoring ng LDA kung wala pang accreditation, at least may maipapakita kang proof of application for accreditation. Meron din kasing penalty pagka walang accredited pollution control officer ang company, especially kung meron ng na-issue na discharge permit. So I hope you have learned something on how to apply for PCO accreditation, especially the requirements. Make sure to go to Environmental Compliance Office of Laguna Lake Development Authority. Dalhin mo yung copies ng mga requirements na to, application form saka yung supporting documents or attachments. At magbayad na ng 700 pesos para ma-receive yung application. Pagka walang bayad, galing sa cashier, wala yung OR, hindi pa nila yan i-receive. So, ang maganda doon, bibigyan ka na lang ng ilang araw para balikan. So, you don't need to follow up. Maganda naman nagpa-follow up, pero pwede namang kahit di ka mag-follow up, basta doon sa binigay na number of days, pwede ka nang bumalik para tanggapin ang approved PCO accreditation certificate. So yun lamang at I hope you have learned something. If you think na nakatulong sa inyo ang video na ito, please like and share this video. And if you have question, just type it below. Thank you very much and God bless us all.